Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn ways to declare a variable. So let's start the tutorial. So first of all, here we are going to learn four ways, or you can say ways to declare a JavaScript variable. So let me define first one. First we are using const, right? Everybody knows about it, const variable, why we are using. So variable, when we are using that variable, that when we think that variable can't be changed, in that perspective we are using const, correct? So const, you can say first name should be Rajnikant, correct? This value cannot be changed. If I'm going to console this log, so let me copy this first name, moving to the reload, Rajnikant first name, correct? Next, we are using the that other variable that is called var. Var value can be changed. So here we are going to add first name be, here we are again here we can write first name equal to Sushil, correct? So let's console the log, the same thing, correct? Let's comment this because maybe the variable declaration will be found below this. First name Sushil. That means we can override it, correct? Let's next variable declaration, that is called let. That is, let is for basically JavaScript new ACMA related variable. So let variable can be changed whenever you want. So I prefer you can use let to change name of the variable when you want. Let's suppose I declare let mm, test job, okay, test job, correct? Here I supposed to add test job equal to engineer, okay. So here I can also add test job equals to software, correct? Let's console dot log test job. Load this test job is software, that is the current one, okay. So these are the ways to declare a variable in JavaScript, in React.js, in Angular, any of the JavaScript framework, which depends, correct? So yeah, this is the ways to declare a JavaScript variable, and the convention would be for the like camel case. It should be camel case, and that should be well defined so that the other coders can learn that this name belongs to this, and they can understand. Yeah, suppose this is first, I am adding first name, so this variable declaration is supposed to say that this is the name of the any of the person, that is the first name, correct? So this is the variable declaration with the naming convention in the camel case, that is much more important as the developer point of view and for the ECMA coding standards also. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.